Hello and welcome. My name is Bradleymayerharman, and today I have the pleasure of being joined with Todd Taylor. Todd is running for town council in the town of Orangeville. Thanks for joining us today.
No, thanks very much, Brad. I appreciate it.
Absolutely. So today I want to talk to you about infrastructure.
Right.
As you know, there's a lot of questions about what should be added and how things are going to be added and paid for. So what is your vision for the town's infrastructure, and how do you plan on paying for it?
Yeah, thanks for the question. So to me, the big thing to recognize is that many municipalities in Ontario and in Canada have infrastructure deficits. That's the first thing that everybody needs to realize. So it's true that Orangeville has a variety of projects that need to be done. And in a great world, we would get to them all right away. But the cool thing is our situation is not dire. The majority of our road projects are very expensive. For example, the 2nd Avenue reconstruction project is just over $3 million. A lot of money. The Alder Street Arena is now 15 years old, and it requires maintenance. The roof itself needs to be replaced this year, just like a house's roof would need to be replaced, and it's $700,000 to do that. So the good news is there's already a budget plan in place for the next 5 years. The town has done a good job in planning on what needs to happen. So as a town, we allocate 1% each year to capital projects. We allocate 1% each year to reserve projects. So that money is set aside. The issue is that will increase our taxes over time. So we're going to have to make decisions. So to put 1% into capital and 1% into infrastructure, it will add to the tax base. So in my mind, we need to look at this significant amount of money and make some decisions moving forward. So with my fellow councillors, I will push to diminish these to help the overburdened taxpayer. I will be cognizant of what this will do to our planning as we move forward, but really much thought will be required by all 7 members of council to determine exactly what we do.
Okay, well, thank you very much for addressing that concern. I know a lot of viewers and voters want to hear what you had to say. So if you'd like to hear what else Todd has to say, please don't hesitate to check out the links below, and thanks for watching.